You may want to use the deep research feature of Google Gemini, but don't know how to go about it. This video walks you through on how to get that without limitation. So the first step you need to take is to launch a web browser. It can be Chrome, it can be Edge or any other browser, but I prefer using Chrome. So once your browser opens, visit gmail.com and log in, okay? So that it don't ask you to log in when we start the other processes. So after that, click on this new tab. So the next thing you have to do is to visit a link, and that web link is this: gemini.google.com/app. Press the enter key. Once the page opens successfully, you will find yourself on an interface that looks like this. If I want to research with deep research, I can click here, but you can see it's not here. All right, I don't have that deep research. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this upgrade. On clicking on upgrade, you will see different plans and what they contain. Okay, you can see here the currency is in Nigeria because in Naira because I'm in Nigeria. So if you're in US, it should be in dollars. All right, monthly plan is selected here. If you want annually, go with annual, click on annual, but I'm good with monthly plan. Okay, so now to get this deep research, you have to go for at least Google AI Pro. That's what contains this deep research. Okay, you can see access deep research, video generation, and more features. And for me, this is affordable. So if I want to go for this, I'll click on Get Google AI Pro. I'll click on Agree. It will take you to this page telling you that you're going to get 5 terabyte free space for going for this. And it's going to start today, and by September 22, 2026, I'm going to be paying this per month. So if you want to continue with this, it has my card. All right, but if I want to change it, I'll click here and enter another card. Then if you are in US, it may give you some other options, maybe PayPal or any other payment option. So I'll click on continue. It quotes my email address, it quotes the card details. I can click on add another card or go with this option, follow the on-screen guide, and I'll successfully go into this Google AI Pro. So for the case of sensitive information of mine, I'm not going to proceed here, but this is simple. You follow the on-screen guide and you get that done. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.